Hi, my name is Bill Dorrance. I'm a technical trainer here at Graco. Welcome to Graco Garage. Today we are going to discuss how to remove and replace the old style flow switch assembly with the new updated flow switch on the RTX 2000 and RTX 2500 sprayers. This new style flow switch includes the pressure switch, so the old pressure switch will be removed from the sprayer. The tools that will be required to do this repair are 3/8 inch socket, 10 millimeter socket, a number 2 Phillips bit or screwdriver, a 3/8 inch drive ratchet, wire clippers, a cordless drill, a 7/16 inch socket, a 1/4 inch drill bit, a center punch, and a hammer. Start by ensuring the power switch is in the off position. Then make sure to unplug the sprayer. Remove the material hopper. Unscrew the hopper from the pump outlet and lift up to remove. Remove the sprayer handle. Using a 7/16 inch socket, remove the 4 bolts fastening the handle to the sprayer. Remove the shroud. Using a 3/8 inch socket and a Phillips driver, remove all fasteners securing the shroud and toolbox. Remove the bolt fastening the old flow switch to the sprayer using a 3/8 inch socket. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding the pressure switch in place. Clip all necessary zip ties in order to unplug the old flow switch and the old pressure switch. Remove the old flow switch and old pressure switch from the sprayer and discard them. They will not be used. Using the provided template, attach the template to the frame with the 2 existing screws positioned in the locating holes of the template. If your sprayer already has the attachment holes drilled, then skip this step. Otherwise, align the center punch in the center of each of the new attachment holes and strike the punch with a hammer. Use the cordless drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit to create the necessary holes for mounting the new flow switch assembly. Replace the air hose coming from the one-way valve with the new hose provided in the kit. Slide the power cord out of its slot on the back of the sprayer. Take the new flow switch assembly and line it up with the newly created holes in the frame. Lower the power cord back into its slot, routing the power cord around the new flow switch. Thread the 10 millimeter bolts through the frame and into the new flow switch. Tighten the bolts using a 10 millimeter socket to 25 to 30 inch-pounds. Connect the pressure switch and flow switch to the appropriate wire harness connectors. Neatly zip tie all wiring away from the motor and compressor. Hook up the air tubes to the flow switch inlet and outlet. Replace the shroud. Using a 3/8 inch socket and a Phillips driver, reattach all fasteners securing the shroud and toolbox. Replace the sprayer handle. Using a 7/16 inch socket, reattach the 4 bolts fastening the handle to the sprayer. Replace the material hopper. Screw the hopper to the pump outlet. Test the sprayer. Open the gun air valve completely. Then, plug it into an electrical outlet and turn the power switch on. The sprayer should build pressure and stop running. Trigger the gun for a few seconds and then release the trigger. The sprayer should run and then shut off several seconds after releasing the trigger. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials like this one, subscribe to the Graco Garage YouTube channel or visit one of the links listed here.